Okay, you're good.
All right, we're back for part 2 of the Jeep project. Yeah, I'm excited about this.
Right?
Ready for this thing to go vroom. I mean, obviously not right now.
Yeah.
But
yeah. What's Siri say on the Ranger?
I don't know.
Siri, where are you?
Grab my phone. Hey Siri. Oh, I don't have it plugged in. Sorry. It's up there on the black toolbox all the way at the end.
Oh, I guess you guys want to see what the fuck he's doing. Temperature sensor.
Where's that? Where is it? 7/16. What the hell? Do you have the half over here?
Oh. Maybe. I touched it earlier today.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh, never mind. I gotta pull that back out. I gotta put the ground strap on. Sorry.
Alright guys, these are the injectors out of the 4.6 that grenaded in the Expedition, and we're putting them into the Mianis. Sweet.
Thank you.
What do you have to say about Mianis? So, 4.6 injectors are going to go into the Jeep.
We're going to try it.
For more horsepower. These got the 4 spray.
Not by much, lengthwise, but plugs are the same. I don't know if you can see on film.
Hold on.
You can see you got one single hole to 4.
Getting it.
4 holes. Valve cover gasket. We got this, and it is a Velcro gasket. It is a 50522T. So this is good. This will work on the AMCs. So it looks like 88 to 95. I'm assuming. Yeah. Inline 6 Velcro gasket. Fits just like that.
Alright guys, so Kyle got brand new gasket put back in this sucker while I was gone at the store. Torqued it down, well didn't torque it down, but tightened it down just like the head. Right now, him and I are working on tag teaming this stupid intake exhaust manifold setup. But it's on, and the bolts are going back in right now. So just a little update, and then we'll be putting the fuel rail back in with all the new Triton injectors. Well, Kyle, you enjoying that intake manifold bullshit combination of a header pipe looking thing?
What?
What?
The lower ones are done now.
Oh, you got them?
Yeah. Thank God.
Should I go to Walmart and get the antifreeze?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah? Alright, where are we at?
I got the fuel rail put back in. About ready to start buttoning up. Last thing I'm going to put in is the air box.
Yeah. Look at this, guys. You got the injectors in. We'll either have to pull the battery out of the Expedition. Two and another short one, huh? Really short fucking one. Three, one. Okay. Coil wire is too freaking short. That's okay. If that doesn't work, then we need to move everything to the counterclockwise position.
Ask for a flat blade.
Oh, it fits. I just didn't think the blade was gonna fit in there. Upper rad hose is on. Do you get lower rad hose?
Never took lower rad hose off.
Oh, you didn't?
Nope.
Well, it feels alone, right?
It's not what I wanted to do. Bitch off.
Did you?
No.
Oh, we got one more hose. How did I miss it? Oh, there it is. That's why I missed it.
Oh, yeah, I had to take it off.
Make sure I didn't pull Kyle and drop the thermostat into the gasket 10 times. 5 times? 10 times?
Only a couple.
That was great.
Fuck. How many gaskets I go through?
I bought 2 to begin with, and Shelby brought home another 3. It is back together again, and all we need to do is add coolant. But before we add coolant, let's make sure it starts. We need to, right? Kyle's wrapping up on something down there.
Yeah, I forgot to put the lower fucking bolt in.
All right, Kyle, we're down to the wire. Oh, well, not the wire, but we're down to almost turnkey time.
Just about. Trying
You
to.
can see we've got went over everything. He's found one more plug that he's got to plug in. Here we go.
Ready?
Yep. Alright guys, it's been running for 10 minutes now. Before, this gauge would sit there and climb up to 210 and then just keep on going into the red. So, alright, we got it. It was a head gasket. So, yeah, let's go take this thing for a drive. All right, guys, we've been driving for about, I'd say 15 to 20 minutes. And it's staying right at the 210 degree mark, as you can see on the dash. Right at 210, which these Jeeps normally run about 210, so fill them outside. Yep, just fell under 210 degrees. So guys, we've got this solved. It was a head gasket. So until next time on Central Oregon Shenanigans, go ahead and comment, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time on another episode of Central Oregon Shenanigans, guys. Have a good night.